install shaders in Minecraft 26.2. This is currently the latest version, and I will show you how to install Minecraft shaders in this version. Now we have to close Minecraft and let's open Chrome, open an internet browser of your choice, and you have all the links in the description of the video. First we'll have to start with Fabric. Let's download it for Windows. We have to install it. Let me grab it from my other monitor. This is the installer. Let's open it, and now we have to leave it like that. If you'll watch this video somewhere in the future, you will see a different version right now. So this is the latest version. I will select that, and now I'll press on install. Make sure is Minecraft closed before you press on install, okay? It will be installed very quick, okay? And now we can close the Fabric installer. Now I would like you to open the Minecraft launcher because we need to access its files for the next modes that we are going to download, and this is a quick shortcut instead than going to run and typing %updata%. So this is the method I like using for accessing these files. In the Minecraft launcher, select installations, and this is the Fabric loader that we installed earlier and in which we'll put all the mods that we'll download from now on. Select open installations folders, and this is the point Minecraft folder from %updata%. Now we have to go to Fabric API, we have to download also this, and now we have to select here Fabric because we will be using Fabric for this tutorial, and at select game version we'll have to select the same version that we installed the Fabric on. If you'll watch this video somewhere in the future, you will see a different version than this, but very important, download all the mods on the same Minecraft version. If just one mod will be on a different version, this will not work, okay? So you will have to download every single mod on the same Minecraft version. Now we have the Fabric API. Let's go to Sodium. I'll press on download, and again select platform, go to Fabric and select game version, the same Minecraft version as with the previous mods. Once again, you will have all the links down below. Okay, let's download the Sodium. This will help with the performance, and also Sodium is required for the Iris shader to work. Now let's move to the Iris shader. Let's download the shader basically now. Select Fabric because we'll use this platform. Okay, and again the same Minecraft version. Don't download a mod with a different version other than others, okay? And dependencies, you can see here Sodium. As I told you earlier, Iris depends on Sodium, okay? So we selected Fabric, the same Minecraft version, and let's download this mod as well. And now the last point on our checklist, it's a shader. Now feel free to explore this website and choose and download a shader which you like. Choose one which your computer can run it properly, okay? So this, once again, you'll have all the links down below. I will use Complementary shader. My computer is capable of running that. Let's press on download, and once again select platform Iris because we use Iris, okay? And now game version, the same version as with the other mods, okay? So let's press on download, and this is everything that we are going to need for this tutorial. Now let's wait for all these mods to download, and I will catch you in just a second. Alright, now I have everything downloaded. Let's open the download folder, and we can close Chrome for now. We don't use that. So this is the window with the downloads, and this is the point Minecraft folder. Now you have to open the mods folder. If you don't have a mods folder, just create one and name it mods. All letters are lower cases, okay? And inside here we have to drag this Sodium Fabric API, and down below you will find Iris Fabric. Let's select that and drag and drop them into the mods folder. And let's back a folder. Now at point Minecraft you'll also find here a folder named shader packs. If you don't have one, you will have to create one. Press on new, a new folder, because I also don't have a folder, and I will name it shader packs, okay? And let's open it, and inside here you have to drag and drop the shader that you downloaded. As I downloaded Complementary shader, you can download which one you'd like. Okay, now back to Minecraft. Select play the Fabric loader that we installed. A warning will appear that you modified the basic version of Minecraft. You'll have to check that you understand the risk and don't warn me again after the installation. Okay, let's check that and press on play, and I will get back to you once Minecraft is open. Alright, and I'm inside Minecraft. And now you can notice shader is not enabled by default. We'll have to enable it manually. So for this you have to press escape, and now go to options, video settings, and down below you'll find here shader packs. Let's select shader packs, and select the shader pack that you downloaded. As I downloaded Complementary, so select that and press on enable. Okay, and here it is. Now you can press on done, escape, 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 and now you can see I have shader enabled. If you want to disable it, it's very easy. Again, press on escape, press to options, video settings, shader packs, and you can press right here above shaders columns enabled. Let's select that and it's on disable. Press on apply. So that's how to disable a shader or how to select another one after you enter a Minecraft world. So that's how to get Minecraft shaders. That's how to download and install Minecraft shaders for 26.2 version and also for the future versions. I hope this quick Minecraft tutorial helped you out. A comment will be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.